Ready to turn your business dream into reality? Starting a business can be thrilling, but it's also filled with tough decisions and challenges. If you're ready to launch or are already on your way, this video is made just for you. We know you're looking for no-nonsense strategies that work, so we're cutting through the clutter to bring you the untold truths and game-changing insights that could make or break your success. In this video, we're telling you 15 rules you must know for starting a business, the key principles that will set you on the path to victory. Let's dive in and set you up to crush your goals. Rule number 1. Action speaks louder than words. Ideas are easy, but action is what truly counts. Everyone dreams of starting a business, but only a tiny fraction follows through. Out of every 60 people who claim they'll launch something, only one truly leaps. The world doesn't reward ideas, it rewards execution. So, instead of just talking about it, take action. Start small, test your concept, and build momentum. The only way to succeed is to stop planning endlessly and start doing. Rule number 2. Ideas are worthless without execution. Many people believe they have $1 million idea, but the harsh reality is that an idea alone is worth absolutely nothing. Its true value lies in execution. Think about it. Facebook wasn't the first social network, and Uber wasn't the first ride-sharing service. What set them apart was how well they were executed. A great idea without action is just a dream. So don't be afraid of someone stealing your idea. Ideas are everywhere. The real challenge is in bringing them to life. Focus on execution. Take consistent steps forward and turn that concept into something tangible. Rule number 3. No one cares about your business as much as you do. This is your vision, your passion, and no one will ever be as invested in it as you are. While you can motivate and inspire others to join your journey, understand that their level of commitment may never match yours. Be extremely careful when selecting business partners. Sometimes, the best co-founder is not your closest friend, but someone who complements your skills and shares your dedication. If you choose to go solo, it will be tougher, but you will have full control and reap all the rewards. Rule number 4. Conduct thorough research. It all comes down to research. Study the market, your competitors, and trends. Know who is already succeeding, how big the market is, and what gaps exist. Ensure there is demand for your product or service before making big investments. Testing, A/B testing, and market validation should be at the core of your strategy. Success starts with knowing exactly what you're getting into. Rule number 5. Perform a gut check. Why are you starting this business? What problem are you aiming to solve? Passion is essential, but so is practicality. Make sure this new venture won't jeopardize your financial well-being or put unnecessary strain on your existing business if you have one. A failed startup won't cover your expenses, so approach it with a balance of enthusiasm and financial awareness. A failed startup won't pay your bills, so be smart and realistic about your commitment. Rule number 6. Build smart from the start. A business built on a weak foundation is bound to collapse. Your model should be scalable to grow with demand. Your team must be adaptable to handle industry shifts, and your operations should run efficiently to maintain profitability. But above all, you need a strong, unique value proposition. What sets you apart from the competition? If your business blends into the crowd, survival will be an uphill battle. Establish your distinct identity from the very beginning and carve out your space in the market. Rule number 7. Work smarter, not harder. Don't let your business become a job you can't escape. In the beginning, you'll wear multiple hats, but once you establish a solid system, you can start delegating tasks. Your focus should be on expanding and strategizing, not getting caught up in daily operations. Surround yourself with capable professionals who bring strengths where you have weaknesses. This will allow your business to thrive while giving you the freedom to lead and innovate. Your job is to lead, not just work. Rule number 8. Test the market. The biggest reason startups fail? No market need. Before investing your time and money, ensure there's genuine demand. The best way to do this is by launching a minimum lovable product, MLP. A simplified version of your product that still provides real value to your target audience. An MLP focuses on the core features that customers love. It's not about creating something perfect, but rather something that sparks genuine interest and emotional connection with your audience. By testing your MLP with real customers, you can get invaluable feedback, make improvements, and refine your product to meet the market's true needs. If people aren't interested, don't force it. Adjust your strategy or rethink your approach before scaling up. The MLP approach helps you save time, money, and energy by validating your concept early on and ensuring you're headed in the right direction. Rule number 9. Resource management is everything. Running a business is like playing a strategy game where your resources, time, money, and energy are limited and must be used wisely. If you don't plan and allocate them effectively, you risk running out before reaching success. Stay lean, focus on essentials, and cut out unnecessary expenses. Every dollar, every hour, and every effort should be invested with a clear purpose to drive growth and sustainability. Rule number 10. Find a mentor, but at the right time. Mentors are like power-ups. They can accelerate your success. But here's the catch. They're not going to waste time on someone who only has an idea and no action behind it. Before seeking a mentor, take real steps forward, validate your business, gain some traction, and prove that you're committed. Once you've done that, find someone who has already walked the path you're on. Their insights and experience can help you avoid costly mistakes, shorten your learning curve, and fast-track your growth. Rule number 11. Be prepared for constant changes. Entering a new industry comes with both high risks and high rewards. The key to survival and success is flexibility. To minimize costly mistakes, build strong connections with industry experts and seasoned professionals who can provide valuable insights. Staying adaptable is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. The market will change, trends will shift, and only those who evolve with it will thrive. Keep learning, keep iterating, and always be ready to reinvent your approach. Rule number 12. Consistency. Wins. Success isn't about one lucky break. It's about showing up every single day, putting in the effort, and staying committed even when things get tough. The difference between those who make it and those who don't is discipline and consistency. Overnight success is a myth. Real achievement comes from persistence. So keep pushing forward, stay focused, and trust the process. Rule number 13. Sales solve everything. Your business needs money to survive, and the most reliable way to generate revenue is through sales. Branding and social media are great, but without sales, they mean nothing. Master the art of selling, whether it's your product, your service, or even your vision, and you'll always have the power to keep your business alive. Sales drive growth, expansion, and success. No sales, no business. It's that simple. Rule number 14. Don't seek investors unless necessary. Raising money should be your last option. Too many startups celebrate getting funding like they've won something. In reality, they've just given away a chunk of their company. However, in high-risk, high-reward industries, securing funding from experienced investors might be a smart move. Just make sure they bring more than just money to the table. Rule number 15. Know your end game. Are you building to sell? Do you want passive income? Know your destination before you start the journey. Having a clear vision will shape every decision you make. Update your brand and position yourself as a thought leader in your new business space. Make sure your digital presence, especially LinkedIn, reflects your business in a way that attracts customers, partners, and investors. Starting a business isn't just about taking a leap of faith. It's about taking calculated steps toward a well-defined goal. The road ahead will be full of challenges, but if you apply these principles, you'll significantly increase your chances of success. Execution, resilience, and adaptability will separate you from the rest. Let us know in the comments what your biggest takeaway was, and we might just feature it in the next video. This is just the beginning. In our upcoming videos, we will dive deeper into building wealth, mastering investments, growing passive income streams, and unlocking the secrets to financial freedom. We are creating a full series about finance and money management, so do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.